Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a back loop increase in Tunisian crochet. So this is a simple swatch, a small swatch I've made with Tunisian simple stitches. If you would like to know how to do this, I have a separate tutorial for it. You can find a link to it in the description. So to make a back loop increase, you have to identify the loop that you're going to make the increase in. So I'm just going to show you where. So you have to identify the back loop of the stitch that you're making the increase in. So say for instance, if I were making an increase at this stitch, I'm going to find the loop that this ends in. So this is the back loop. So this is the vertical bar and it ends in this loop. So this is the back loop where we will make the increase. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you were making this in two colors, this loop would be in a different color. If your reverse pass was a different color, so this is a loop from the reverse pass, it would be a different color than this one. So this would be your forward pass color and this would be a reverse pass color. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to make a few simple stitches. And say wanted to make a back loop increase over here, so I'm going to find that back loop here. Here it is. So this is the vertical bar, this is the back loop, and I have to sometimes use my nails to pick it up. So just do that, yarn over, pull through, so that makes one stitch. So that will be my increase stitch. So I have to make sure that I make another stitch in this vertical bar. So I'm going to make another stitch here. So that is two stitches in the same stitch from the previous row. So that makes an increase, and then I'm going to go ahead and complete my row just as I normally would. And reverse pass also just as I normally would, chain one and then yarn over, pull through two all the way to the beginning. So there you go. Here is how it looks. Here is the increase. You can see an extra stitch there. So there's one extra stitch on this row than there were on the previous rows. If you would like to see other tutorials, I have a bunch of them. You can find a link to those in the description. Please subscribe if you would like to get updates on any other tutorials that I publish.